Welcome back everyone to another episode of Vegetarian Cooking with JJ. We are in the beautiful Sedona, Arizona, and in this week's episode I'm going to be sharing with you what I have eaten on our trip. We traveled to Charleston, South Carolina, Phoenix, Arizona, and now we're in the beautiful Sedona. So let's head over to our video content. It's our first day in Charleston, South Carolina, and I'm going to get some breakfast at the Gnome Cafe because we have a presentation to go to, so it's going to be to go. Put some sriracha on there. We're here at Basic Kitchen in Charleston, South Carolina. They have a fully vegan menu for the full month of January. And we're enjoying some sweet potato fries with a delicious chive cream sauce. Vegan, of course, and some ketchup. And I have some hot sauce for my next dish, which is going to be a cauliflower steak. There's two amazing chilies here from the restaurant Verde. We got our Buddha bowl. It's jam-packed with nutrients. It has some chickpeas, broccoli, quinoa, and rice, as well as looks like squash. I just can't remember right now, but probably also some cabbage mixed in there. As for Shimmy's bowl, it's the farmer's market. Farmer's market, is that what it is? Farmer's market salad. And it has a bunch of toppings underneath, so you have to really dig in there and mix it all up. We're here in Phoenix, Arizona, and we just came back from a long hike along the Salt River, Rio Salido. We were there and we were looking for wild horses, but we didn't find them today. But we enjoyed a lot of nature though, although we didn't find the wild horses. So we came across this restaurant that has some vegan options. It's called the Gnome Cafe, and I got the green curry. I'll show you a proper shot of it without spilling it. I got Thai spicy, and then it comes with the rice, of course. So I'm gonna dig in and enjoy. I opted for the vegan shrimp as well. Perfectly spiced. I will recommend it. When we arrived in Sedona, where we were staying near the Tlaquepaque village, we were very hungry. We opted for El Rincon Restaurant Mexicano. They were very accommodating to make a pure vegan burrito. They even were honest about using egg whites in their margaritas. So I asked for a skinny margarita, is what they call it, without any animal products.
We got a gift certificate to Creekside Restaurant as a part of one of our gifts for listening to a sales pitch, and the quantity of food was true American size. It was more than one meal's worth. We got an umami vegan burger bowl, a vegan bento, which came in 2 containers and had a nice variety, and the side salad was huge as well. Find out what my go-to favorite breakfast was when we were staying in Sedona. Stay tuned for next week's episode when I show you what I made.